Jean, can you face free?
No, can't focus. Me neither. Some kind of synaptic discharge.
Which one will go first?
My money's on the girl.
You believe someone in Atlantis has betrayed my husband. I also fear for his life.
Getting rid of me won't make the people of Atlantis serve you.
I know, that whole lineage thing could get messy. I have a solution. The young prince will be yet another innocent victim of the surface dwellers' aggression. Sadly, that will also make me the rightful heir to the throne. I'm off to avenge your deaths.
There's still no sign of it.
My love, you're safe.
And so is our son. Where is Orr?